This short guide explains how to buy shares of Matador Resources Co. using the search phrase, how to buy shares of Matador Resources County and the ticker MTDR. Matador Resources Co. is an oil and gas exploration and production company listed on NASDAQ, and this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy MTDR, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account. This usually requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker MTDR to locate Matador Resources Co. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to avoid similar symbols. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart to see recent movement. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and MTDR ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details before confirming the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the purchase completes. After confirmation, the MTDR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platforms shown in this walkthrough.